Very good afternoon, all the students who are present here. Very good afternoon from India. And today, welcome to all the students for this session on Pragati Examination 2021. So today, what we will be discussing is that already three mock tests have been over. So first mock test was for all the first and second mock test were for all the students. And the third mock test was for the students, those who had not taken first and second mock test. So even the students, those who have not taken any of the mock tests, they need not worry because those tests were only to test the environment, like the computer which you'll be using and the screen which you will be using. So that was basically for that only. So you need not worry, even if you have not taken the mock test. And the final examination is scheduled on the 25th of July. So it's on the coming Sunday. The examination is scheduled. So in this webinar today, so we'll be discussing the final things, like what all things are required to be brought before the examination, what should be the behavior of the student during the examination, and what type of paper that is scheduled to come in the examination. So now, I think most of the students must be acquainted with the syllabus. So it will be 90 minutes examination and it will be divided into three different sections: verbal, quant, and logical. And moreover, like the students are free to switch between the sections. Like multiple times, we have got this question from the students, those who are saying that, so I am good at in quant, so I want to attempt the quant paper first, and I want to attempt the verbal paper at the end. So the students, you are free to switch between any of the sections. So if you wish to do the logical part first, you can go on the logical first and attempt all the questions. And moreover, for the students, those who have taken the test on the secure browser, or taken the mock test on the secure browser, you must have seen already. Whenever you attempt a question, it will be marked in green. And even if you are some doubtful about a question, like you think that, okay, I want to attempt this question in a later phase, I want to check it later and then answer the question. So it can be differently marked. Those instructions will be present on the front of the screen. So when you come for the final examination, and the medium of instruction is English. So the students from the East Africa, those who are asking this question, that can we change the language of the test, or can we go to the Google Translator and change the language of the course? You are not allowed to do that, and moreover, you are requested not to go outside this browser. So once you start the test, you should not click on the mouse or any other button to move outside this environment. So if you are out of the environment, your test will be will be considered interrupted, and again you'll have to call the help desk of a National Testing Agency (NTA) and ask for the resumption of the services. So mode of the examination is English, and all the sections will be present in English only. And the marks, there is no negative marking. So as our media team has been informing you, so the students will have 90 minutes and they can use all the time to take the test. So this 10 90 minutes, the students can dedicate towards the completion of this verbal, quant, and logical section. And mode of instruction will be English for 90 minutes. And to know about the timings, we have been seeing multiple questions where the students are asking like what time the test is in their respective country. So on the website of studyindia.gov.in, we have made a separate tab for Pragati 2021. So when you go there, I have also attached a small screenshot here. So this will help you in understanding where this complete chart is present. What you have to do is that you have to go on that chart and you can go and see your timing. So the timing on which the examination is scheduled in your country. And moreover, my request will be to students, those who are from countries like Ethiopia, where multiple time zones are being followed. And what they can do is that they can see the timing in GMT or the timing in IST, and then they can decide and calculate that local timings accordingly. and it is a request to students that like the timing which have been given for their respective country, so they should adhere to that timelines only. So if you are out of the time, like for example, your time exam is at 10 o'clock and you are trying to attempt at 11 o'clock, you will not be allowed to enter exam in the examination. So that's my request. Like go on so go on the website of Study India and click on the exam timing schedule and see for yourself like at what time the examination is present in your country. So we have also given the link here. So first you have to go to the Study India website, then you have to click on the Pragati tab, and then you have to click on updates. So all the updates, like even if we are uploading the mock paper or we are uploading the answer key for the mock paper, or like we are declaring the dates of the result. So everything will be mentioned in the update section. So even if you are missing some of the mails which are being sent by Study in India, so what you can do is that you can go in the update section and check for yourself like what is the latest of the information present in case of this Pragati examinations. And tentatively the results for this Pragati 2021, so it will be declared in the second week of August. So, and it will be the same for UG students and PG students as well. And the questions, yeah, one more most important thing, the questions will be different for different questions for different students. So students are requested, like for the UG students, there will be a different set of questions, and for the PG students, the set of questions will be different. And moreover, for each and every student, the set of questions will be different. So that's the reason, like students have been requested, like they should read the answers questions properly before answering the question. So these are the steps which are mandatory and which are very much essential before taking the Pragati examination. As we have been telling multiple times and from the beginning onwards, we have been saying that you should always sit with the ID card, like the ID card, that should be government ID card with the picture present on it. Because at the beginning of the test, like for the students who have already taken the make mock test, they must be aware of this. Like at the beginning of the examination, so the proctor sitting on the other side and the software, it will first take your picture, and the picture should be the same as it was given in the admit card or it was uploaded. So it is like even if there are 10 to 10, 20% of like changes in the picture, for example, if you have grown your beard or you are wearing different dress, that's not a big issue. But our proctors will be matching the picture. So with what you have given, or and at any case, if it is found that the student who is taking the examination is different from the student who has applied, serious steps will be taken, and the information will be given to the Indian mission located in that country, and strict actions will be taken. So students are requested not to do any type of impersonation. So the student who has applied for the examination, only they should sit and take the test. Because even after the examination is over, so we will be doing the complete recording of the complete session which you are taking while which is going on while you are taking the test. And at the end of the test, so we will have like 1,000 to 2,000 of people sitting here. Those who will be matching your image, the image which you have uploaded for the admit card, and the image which is present with us while you are taking the examination. So I'll like to remind the students. So impersonation is strictly forbidden, and anyone who is found doing this, strict actions will be taken through the Indian mission located in that country. And one important thing, like once you are done with the test, do click on the end test button. Until unless you click on the end test, your answers will not be saved. And you should take all the care that while you are taking the test, you should not click on the end test while the test is still going on. So this click button is to be put at the end once you are done with all the sections and time is over. And once you are done with the taking of the test, you just have to click Alt and Escape button together. So once you click on that, so you'll come outside the SCV browser, and then you can resume your the session, or you can do your normal. So these are some of the do's and don'ts, like which are important while you are taking this Pragati 21. 2021. So you should ensure that your webcam, microphone, internet, everything is working properly. Today morning, I got a question from a student, like who was asking that, like, will 1 GB of data enough to take the test? So I request the students that, like, they should not keep the data forbidden because this test is for 90 minutes. And if you are completing your test like within 30 minutes or 45 minutes or 50 minutes, like that the data can consume will be different. But if you, in case you find that there are some questions which will require more time, for example, the logical reasoning and the data interpretation section, those sections require a lot of time. So it will utilize all your time, like all 90 minutes. So you are requested that once you are taking a sitting for the test, you should not keep yourself limited, like not to keep your data limited. So that's why I was saying that you should ensure your webcam is working, and microphone is working, internet is working properly. Second thing is you should ensure that there is proper lighting in the room so that your face is evenly lit. So, like in the last webinar, I was in talking to the students where I informed that so our complete system is based on artificial intelligence. So, like once you are, it is found that there is there is less light in the room where you are sitting, the system itself it will detect that there is less lighting, and the flag will be sent to the proctor who is sitting on the other end, and the proctor will go and check, like he'll check online, you will check online and will try to check whether the student is present in the well lit room or not. And if it is found that the situation is different, then your test will be stopped. So that is the reason you are requested, like do sit in a like lighted room. If possible, sit in somewhere where your face is clearly visible. Third is ensure silence in the place room where you are appearing for the test. For the students who are taking the test from cyber cafe, they are requested to like talk to the people at the cyber cafe and make sure that wherever they are sitting, there should not be lot of crowd in the same room. So if the computer sees, like if the proctor sees or the our AI sees that there are more than one head present on the screen, so what it will detect is that it will detect that more than one person is sitting and taking the test. So again, we'll have to block your test. So that is the reason sit in a place where only you are visible. Fourth is that ensure your face is clearly visible in the webcam, as I spoke at the beginning. The next point is capture your photo before the start of the test and ensure no objects behind you. So this will be required at the beginning of the test when you are starting the test. The system itself will take your picture first, and then it will take the picture of identity card, and the government identity card is mandatory. So that and next step is that ensure that your face is fully captured in the webcam. That is important for you because if you are giving us half like snapped image or the image is not clear, so what happens is that when we are checking your results and when we were our proctors are checking the data later re-verifying the data, if you see that half image is visible, so there are chances that we'll have to block your result or delete your result because we are not clear that whether it was you who was taking the test. So until then, your results will not be published. So next is do wear transparent and non-reflective glasses and lenses if required. So like if you have glasses on, you are requested to wear only like those type of glasses through which you can see where you are seeing, because the AI it is checking your eye movement of your eyes. Like you are looking here and there, so immediately it will flag that the student who's taking the test, he has his eyes somewhere else, like he's looking somewhere else. Water bottle is allowed, but it should be transparent. Keep your valid government ID proof handy to show it to the proctor during the examination. Government ID proof is mandatory. You should not sit with a photocopy of the study in the admit card because it should be by the government of your specific country. And the last one is that do appear for mock test, which is already over. All the three mock tests are over. These are the don'ts. Like these things you should not do. Like do not talk with anyone. Do not sit in such a room where there is a lot of noise from the background. Do not cover your face with hair, clothing, or mask or anything else. Since like the time of COVID is going on, so you are requested to sit in such a place that you are away from the rest of the crowd, or you're not sitting in a crowded place. so that you need not put your mask on. Next, do not place your do not place any light source behind your face, because once a light source is present behind your face, it makes the image hazy. And if once you find that you are not able to see your image clearly, you have to block your text. Do not have background noises, voice, music, or TV. Do not play music while you are taking the test. You are requested not to use the headphones or earphones during the test. You are requested to put your microphone of the computer on, so that it does not require you to use the headphone. And while the test is going on, do not press F5 or do not toggle in between the windows. For example, if you are taking one section, so through the click of the button, through the click of mouse, you can go to a different section. You need not toggle between the windows. Last is not take the test in tablet or cell phones. The test can only be taken through a desktop or a laptop device. It cannot be taken through cell phone. And one important thing which we wanted to inform the students is that do not panic in case there is electricity cut in your country. For example, while you are taking the test and already 50 minutes are over, and suddenly there is electricity failure, or your computer gets switched off, or your UPS is not working, or your system gets turned off. Don't worry about anything about that. So once there is an interruption, again if you log in, your test will start from there itself. So, but your timing will be lost. For example, the test is for 90 minutes, and you do not have electricity for 20 minutes in between the test, so you lose your 20 minutes. That is the reason we request you do keep the system ready. Like if you have facility to keep a UPS ready for the power backup, you may go ahead with that. Exam instructions. So rough paper is allowed, and the students are but you are requested not to come with a rough notebook. Only rough free sheets are allowed, like it's A4 side white paper, because proctor can at any moment they can ask you to show the paper. So that is the reason you are requested to use the rough paper only. And on-screen calculator is allowed. So at the top of the screen on the right side, we find on-screen scientific calculator. So do not worry about the calculation, because you are not requested not to come with physical calculator. If the proctor find that you have come and sitting with a physical calculator, your test will be stopped immediately. These are some of the monitoring parameters. We will be monitoring you for the complete duration. This complete 90 minutes, we'll be seeing you. So you are requested to adhere to the guidelines sent by the Ministry and PA. They have already shared a set of instructions which to adhere to while taking the test. There are some of the points like for case not looking into this away from the screen, another person in the room, other person in front of the camera, impersonation, disablement of web camera, a network, no network connection, like you are requested not to use HDMI cable or anything to reflect the page to some other screen. So anyway, the system has been designed in such a way that it records all the movements of your screen. For 90 minutes, when you start the test, so everything, whatever you're doing on the screen, it is being recorded. So at any moment of time, if we have any doubt on the student, we can go and check so what was going on while the student was taking the test. So we have the complete data of this location that you are sitting while you are taking the test. So that was all from the end of Study India. So stay positive, work hard, make it happen, and we hope to see all of you in India. So best of luck to all the students and from Study India. And now we would like to see everyone on the day of the test. The test is scheduled on 25th of July for the exam themselves. So now we'll start with the questions. So students, those who have any question, they can raise the hand, and one by one we will mute each and every student, and we'll take their questions. First question will take from Saurabh Karn.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yes, Saurabh, please ask the
Good
question.
afternoon, sir. Hello, are you being able to listen to me? Hello.
Yes, Saurabh, please ask the question.
When when our class will be start in India if we get selected? Our
So in the second week of August, we will be giving the result, and we are expecting the classes to start from the month of September. But moreover, it depends on the college to college. For example, if you're in such a university who is taking online classes for the next coming 4 to 5 months, then you'll have online classes. So it entirely depends on the university where you are getting the admission.
Okay, thank you, sir. That is it. My question.
Next question from Akutulia Joseph.
Hello, thank you very much.
Yes, Joseph.
Hello.
Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, that's
Yes, I wish to ask. For example, one is successful and is able to go through. For example, now for us, if, for example, in Uganda we have a challenge with the COVID because I cannot travel before I get the whole full COVID vaccine and so on. So how do you have you considered that in case because September is quite near? I was really concerned about that. Thank you.
Oh, I couldn't get it clearly. Like, are you concerned about the location where you have to sit and take the test?
Yes.
What? Can you please repeat your question again, Joseph?
My question was, am I clear?
Please ask.
I wish to ask, for example, if I'm successful, of course I now be successful, and I need to travel to India, but currently in Uganda, the vaccination rate is low and most of us haven't been vaccinated, and yet one is not allowed to travel before they are fully vaccinated. So how are you considering that? Because I know you shall be successful, but then the traveling, you might have to take COVID tests and so on. And the
So, Joseph, yeah, I got your question, Joseph. So you need not worry about that. Like these classes are yet to start, and each and every university is coming with the set of guidelines. So if you have not taken the vaccination, like the rules of the government of India will be applied to you, and of course that is mandatory for the students who are coming from overseas to take the vaccination. So don't worry about that. So even if you clear this examination, you get this scholarship, and you will have to communicate the same thing to the university, and they will allow you to take the online classes for first few months, so that by the time you are done with the vaccination, so you already have information about the classes through online mode.
All right, thank you very much. I'm glad.
Thank you. Abhijit Yadav. Yeah, Abhijit Yadav, please ask a question.
Sir, while taking mock test, uh, I could not find the end test button. I searched for main
Which button?
end
And
test end test button.
how long did you take the test? Like, what was the duration?
It was an hour, just 1 hour.
So even after 1 hour, you did not find the end test button?
No, sir. I waited for more than 15 minutes and then I pressed Alt plus F4, so I exit.
Was there submit button present on the window?
No submit button.
Okay, maybe like because the thing is that to find that end test or submit button, like for the mock test, the setting was done in such a way, like minimum of 45 minutes you had to be present to take the mock. So
Okay.
45 minutes was mandatory. So like I think like what you might have done is that like you tried completing the test before 45 minutes. That is the reason you did not find N-test button. Okay, because
Okay.
we have not got this type question from anyone because I myself have taken the test and for first 45 minutes this N-test button was not present. After that
Okay.
it was activated.
And sir, hello.
Yeah,
Sir, while taking that quantitative aptitude questions, I have to solve in rough copy. So while writing in rough copy simultaneously, how could I look at the camera? And I got a lot of warning that I am not looking at camera. So that was my concern.
no, there actually, as I was showing at the beginning of the presentation, you have to sit at 45-degree angle. Like when once you are sitting and seeing the paper, you should have an angle of 45 degrees. Your paper should be visible. Like if you are sitting in front a laptop, you have to sit in such a way, make such a position in such a way that this paper, whenever proctor wants, they can see your paper. Okay. So if you are sitting in such a position like where the table is present at a higher position, okay. So those times this AI, the software, it throws the flag mark, like it tells the proctor that the following student is taking the test and is looking somewhere else. Okay. So
Sir,
maintain
but
your position accordingly.
uh, it will be a lot difficult while like clicking also in laptop and then writing at far. I have to keep laptop so far that the paper would be visible in camera too.
No, no, not the paper should be visible. I am not saying that your paper should be exactly visible while taking the test. Your position will be should be such that like you should be clearly visible. Okay.
Uh, okay, okay, sir. I will try to do.
Muanga PS.
Sir, for my question was like, I live in a town and sometimes you never know when it will be loud. So I don't know whether it won't affect me during my examination whereby abrupt noise.
No, even if your test like if you are sitting if you are taking the test from such a town where the power failure is common and the chances that while you are taking the test power will get disturbed. Don't worry about that. That's what I was saying. Okay? So even if power gets disturbed, your test will resume from the place where you have stopped.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir, Prodi.
Hello,
Yes, sir.
am I audible, sir? Good evening.
Yeah, you are audible.
So while giving a mock test, I ran into a problem. Basically, when I opened the CH exam browser, it was not opening the test window. Instead of that, it just opened up Google Chrome for me, like just the normal Google Chrome in full screen, and I wasn't able to exit from that also.
That the test is present. Like, have you read the instruction set sent by NTA?
Yeah, I did read the instructions.
So they have also given a functionality to add the light browser, Safe
Okay,
Exam browser in light mode.
okay,
So I think you have installed that. That is the reason when you are clicking on that, it was opening the Chrome. Okay. And that was also a portal. Like, don't worry, we have not downloaded this app software. So for the
okay.
countries where data is very costly and there are issues with the internet, for those countries, what we have done is that we have kept the light version. Okay? That is being embedded with the Chrome.
So where do I get the other version? It'll be there in the link itself in
That
the
is on that mail
instructions.
itself, like the mail which was sent by National Testing Agency, which is present on the
Okay,
mail only.
okay, okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Arifur Rahman. Mohammad
Actually, I
Arifur
want to
Rahman.
know, yeah, my question is actually I want to know about the in button.
Sorry, please tell again.
In button, exam in button, where it visible?
Yeah, I just answered that question at the top. Like if your end button is not was not visible during the mock, so that means that you tried completing the test before 45 minutes. Okay.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Don't worry about the final test. Like Like for example, if there is a student like who has not clicked on the end button and the timing is more than 90 and the timing is already over, the system will itself submit your question answers.
Okay, thank you.
Tagore Ghosh.
Good, sir.
Yes, sir. Ask
Sir,
question.
sir, my question is, should I need to print my admit card during the exam?
No, yeah, you need not. Like, do you have government ID card?
Yes, I have.
Then you need not print your admit card. It's not required.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Vampire Alison.
Hello, sir. My question is, when I was doing my mock, hello?
Yeah, tell.
Yes, when I was doing my mock, the camera kept on saying that there is no face being seen, or I'm not seeing in the camera. I tried so much to look in the camera, but it kept on saying that. Is the problem with my laptop, or it was the system?
Oh, no, maybe like you are not sitting in a correct position while you are taking
Because
the final. While you are taking the final examination. So at the bottom you will find a chat window. In case you get this type of messages, what you can do is that you can click on that window and ask the proctor. So we have physical proctor, like a human is sitting behind a computer in India and he's monitoring all your activities on your computer, activities right in front of your computer. So once you have any query, you can immediately click on that and ask the question from the prompt. Okay?
okay, thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm just
So I have a problem in mock test. I attempt two mock tests, but when I log in the mock test, it shows your password is wrong, and I contact with NTA, but he can't reply properly.
which password you were using?
User ID and user password demo or something.
So was the password same or as given on admit card?
Yeah, sir.
So you had not to use that password. The admit card password is only for the final examination.
No, sir. It's given by Gmail.
Okay.
Admit card password is for the final test. I know.
Yeah. Okay. So it was not we were not able to log in.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, maybe you were given 5 IDs and password. Did you try all?
So when second mock test is running, I give it second password. When third mock test is running, I give it third password. But any mock test, I can't log in.
So have you taken at least one mock test?
No, sir.
You were not able to take any mock test.
No, sir. I can't take any mock test.
Okay. So and you were using the same ID and password.
Yeah, sir.
Yeah. So what you can do is that just drop a mail, okay, on the help desk of NTA, and then we'll ask them to resolve it.
I sent the study. I sent the mail or in the mail, WhatsApp, Facebook, but they can't reply properly, sir.
Okay, then drop a mail to me. Okay, I'll forward your mail to NTA and I'll talk to them.
What is your mail ID, sir?
It's help.studyindia.
studyindia@edcil.
Yeah. No. help.studyindia@gov.in.
help.studyindia
@gov.in.
@gov.in.
And mark a copy to me as well.
What, sir?
And mark a copy, like CC me as well. Same mail
Yeah.
forward on 2 email IDs. My email ID as well.
Okay, sir.
Note down my email ID.
Yeah, sir. Tell me.
It's Ashutosh Kumar.
A
ASHUTOSH
SUTOSH
AUMAR
AUMAR
@edcil.co.in.
@edcil.co.in.
Just
Okay,
drop
sir.
me a mail immediately. I'll look into it. Okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Multiple students are asking this question like government ID card. So government ID card is something given by the government of your respective country. Okay? It can be passport, it can be the voter ID, or it can be citizenship ID card. But it should have a picture present on it. So that is what a government ID is given by the local government of that respective country. Yes, Rahul, please ask a question.
Sir, I don't have a citizenship. What can I do?
What? Ask again.
I don't have citizenship of Mukam. I don't have citizenship. I filled the form using birth certificate.
Which
What
country
should
you
I
are
do?
from?
Nepal.
You don't have citizenship card.
No, I have
Okay.
not made till now.
Okay, then you have birth certificate, right?
Yes,
So is that a color copy?
no.
So
Like it
do you
is
have
a,
any other identity certificate?
I have student ID card.
It's like, is that a government college?
Yes,
That is a government college, then that ID card will work. Okay?
I used that card in my mock test and I was able to give mock test. Then is it okay?
No, it is not like mock test was only to check the system specifications and everything. You have to use a government ID card to sit for the final exam. If you have the ID card from the government school, then you can.
Okay, thank you.
Is it right?
Namaste. I want to ask a question. My question is, if I successfully submit my test, then I may be faced any issue for getting the scholarship.
Oh, if you complete the test, you will have no issue in getting the scholarship.
Yeah. Okay. I want to know our test screen, our laptop test screen will be recorded.
Yeah, your
Is it right?
screen will be recorded. Yes.
On our. Okay.
The complete screen recording, and in addition to this screen, even your video will be recorded. So once you are sitting in front of the complete video computer, all the activities will be recorded.
It may be C for getting the scholarship, right?
Of course, that will be seen before giving the scholarship.
Okay. Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, that's all.
Al Mumin.
Hello, sir.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah, hello. I'm audible?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I already completed 2 mock tests, but when I entered the software ACB, I faced some problem in my PC.
Yeah. Did you tell those problems to NTA?
Yes, when I install and launching the ACB, then my PC have some many problem. What can I do?
Your PC is getting problem after installing that software.
Yes.
What you can do is that delete that software and install again.
Yes, again I launched that, but same problem is shown.
So that means that your system is not adapted to take the test. You have to take the test from different system.
So, sir, what can I do now?
You use a different system to take it. Which country you are from?
Sir, one more question. My identity card, college identity card, I have lost some few months ago. So what can I do now?
You have passport?
No.
Then
NID card? No, I have no NID card. Can I show my birth certificate?
yes, you can show your birth certificate, but it should be given by the government.
Yes, this government birth certificate, real copy,
Okay, then you can use.
original.
You have
Sir, hello.
But Al Mumin, but you will not be like we require something. We should have a photo present on it. Birth certificate's photo will be different. Not a driving license.
Is
You have
photo attached? Identify.
no, only government ID cards are allowed. Okay.
Sir, I have no NID card.
Then you have to get ID card. Else you are not allowed to sit for the test.
Okay. Sir, one more question, please. Hello.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, there is a mark option. There's a mock test. There is a mark option. I could not understand that.
Mark option. You have to click on
Yeah.
that option.
Yes.
Joachim
Hello.
Esmochi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please ask me.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, my question is, all right. Found it very difficult to log in at the first place.
Sorry,
I
what?
logged in 15 minutes after the time. I said I had logging in problem during the mock test. So I logged in very late. 1 hour after the time. Can you hear me?
Okay. Yes. But
So-
like, were you able to log in?
But I didn't. Yeah, I was able to log in. I didn't have problem during the mock. But my question is, what if the login in problem repeats again during the main test exam?
No.
What will I
In the
do?
main test, there won't be any problem. The mock was taken only to resolve this type of problems. Okay. Don't worry for the final examination. There won't be any problem.
Okay, sir. The second question is about how can we go with hard copy of the admit card and national ID card?
National ID card, you can get hard copy, but admit card hard copy is not required.
Okay, hard copy of admit card is not required. Hello.
Yes, please ask.
I say hard copy of admit card is not required.
Hard copy admit card is not required. Yes, not required.
Okay, the last question, please, sir. During my mock test exam, I was experiencing error in camera. Like anyhow I stay, the camera will still indicate red. That means there's error. So I don't know what to do. What can I do? Even if my head is straight and everything is straight, I was looking at the camera, but that error is still indicating.
So in the instructions which was sent by NTA, so we have clearly defined what should be your position and what are the do's and don'ts. To read everything and abide by that. So if you abide by that, you won't be getting any issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Matthias, Hangubama, please ask. Mohammad Rahman. Mohammad Rahman. Solomon Tesegir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, Solomon, please ask.
I have some questions on the project exam. The first one is how to chat my problems during the exam face the problems.
On the right
How to
bottom
ask
of the window,
my problem to
Solomon.
the.
Yeah, Solomon, I got your question. On the right window, on the right bottom of the window, you'll see a chat button. So once you click on that, you'll be able to get connected with the proctor. Okay.
Yes.
So there is a person like who will be sitting in front of you all the time while you are taking the test.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thanks.
Roshni Kumari. Yes, Roshni, please ask a question. Roshni, am I audible? Stephen Otumba.
Yes, are you able to hear me?
Yes, Otumba, I'm able to hear you.
I had some questions here I wanted you to at least clarify.
Yeah, please ask me, sir.
I'm asking about the how long will it take for the results to be out? I'm trying to write it on the chat.
Second week of August, results will be out.
Yes?
Second week of August.
Or second week.
Okay.
And I'm asking if must I print my admit card for the exams?
No, your admit card is not required while the examination. Only government
Okay.
ID card will do.
Allow me ask this also too. If at all I'm using a cyber as an example for a cyber in a market, and we have some external sounds that we cannot control by ourselves, like the road sounds, the sounds that come, the noise that come from the external sources. How do we treat that?
So you have to sit it at such a location that there should not be much noise. Okay. Otherwise, it depends on the proctor. Like you have got a chat option. Just click on that option and inform the proctor that you are sitting on in a cyber cafe where there is a lot of noise. So do consider this.
Yeah.
Yes, but you should ensure that you are not sitting in such a position where there is too much of crowd.
Okay, fine. And I'm asking how many marks must you attain for this important scholarship?
27 marks minimum you have to get to get this scholarship.
Yes.
27 marks is the minimum you have to get this scholarship.
I'm not able to hear you.
27 marks out of 90 is minimum.
20?
7. 27.
27.
Hmm.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Hridoy.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir. My name is Ashik Zaman Ritu, sir. I am from Bangladesh. I have one question, sir.
Yes.
What is the my final 25th final exam? What is the point is the make in the enter the test or the final exam?
What did you ask? What is to enter the test?
Sir, I want to know what is the money, what is the past time.
Sorry, you are not clear, Hridoy.
Okay, sir. Sir, I want to ask you, sir, what is the final point in the attend the scholarship, get the scholarship?
So there is nothing as such. Like it is the marking system is completely relative. So, for example, there are 100 students taking the test from your country, and all the students are getting more than 80 marks. Okay, so this will be calculated on the basis of relative marking. The student who gets the highest mark, he will get the scholarship, and in the same sequence, the complete list will move.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Atta blessings.
Okay, I have a good afternoon.
Yes,
Hello.
Yeah, Katel.
Good afternoon. Okay, I had a really bad network connection when I was writing the mock exam. It took almost 5 minutes for each question to pop up on the screen. I don't know if it had to do with with the computer I was using, or if it was a general problem.
Okay, but don't worry. For the final examination, we have made all the arrangements, and there won't be any issue while you're taking the final test.
Okay. Okay.
So what we see here is that there are many more questions. Like we see many other raised hands also. So there are many other questions. So what you are requested is that for all technical questions, what you have regarding the final examination. Okay. So on the day of examination, so the call center of NTA will be open. Students are requested to call on the call center of NTA, and the mobile, they have a WhatsApp number as well. 5 different WhatsApp numbers are there, and they have direct numbers as well. The students from countries like Africa or the Nepal or anywhere else, those who are trying to contact through WhatsApp, they can contact the NTA through WhatsApp also. And moreover, direct numbers are present, and the email ID of NTA is also present. So we have around 2,000 to 3,000 help desk people who will be sitting on that day to resolve the queries of the students. But don't worry, but because like what all issues which we got during the mock test, we have already resolved everything. So we hope that you won't be getting any issue while taking the final examination on 25th July. And if anyone has any other issue, they can write on the help.study India email ID or my email ID. And best of luck for the examination, and welcome to India. So try to do your best during the examination. Thank you, everyone.